Good morning, class 6 students. We are doing chapter 4 of history in the earliest cities. In the earliest cities we are doing, and we are on the third topic, life in the city. A Harappa city was very busy place. Students, the Harappan city at that time for the earliest people was a very busy state. Like we have Delhi or Kolkata, all the metro cities are busy states or not. So same way, the Harappan city at that time was also a busy place. There were people who planned the construction of special buildings in the cities, and there were the people who used to do the planning of construction of special buildings. They were probably the rulers. It is likely that the ruler sent people to distant land to get metal, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. Students, at a time, the houses, the ruler makes, if they want to make a house, they need a metal also, precious stones, and other things they want to make a house. They may have kept the most valuable objects such as ornaments of gold and silver or a beautiful beads for themselves. And there were subscripts, people who knew how to write, who helped prepare the seal and perhaps wrote on other material that have not survived. Students, so they may be using those valuable objects like ornaments, gold and silver. They have kept beautiful beads. There was a scripts means the beautiful writing they have done. They want to keep it safe, so they wrote material and have not survived. Besides, there were men's and women's craft person also. There in the Harappa city, there were craft person making all kinds of things, either of their own home or in a special workshop. Either they used to make the craft people used to make the things for their own home, or they used to do for the work for a shop. People were traveling to distant lands or returning with raw materials, perhaps stories. Many terracotta toys have been found, and children must have played with these. Students, see here, this is how the toys are being made in the Harappa time. The pictures are being made, the writing is being done. So these are the shows that people at that time, the Harappan city was the busiest city, whether it's we talk about the the material. The people used to come there for buying the raw material, for the finished goods also, or stories, terracotta toys. All these things were made at the time of Harappa. Now students, let's new topic, new craft in the city. Let us look at some of the objects that were made and found out in the Harappa city. See students, if you see, this is the weight of the stone, these are the ornaments. See students, these are the things, this picture, these are the things that are made at the time of Harappa, and we are going to read it. Most of the things that have been found by the archaeologists are made of stones. That time the archaeologists found that that Harappa time, many things that are made up of generally of stone, shell and metal, including copper, bronze, gold and silver. Copper, bronze were used to make tools, weapon, ornaments. Copper and bronze that time were used to make weapons, ornaments and vessels also. Gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessels. People used to make golds and silver vessels also, and ornaments also. Perhaps the most striking find as those of the beads, weights and blades. The Harappa also made seals out of stones. They used to make seals out of stones. These were generally rectangular and usually have an animal carved on them. The Harappa also made pots with beautiful clay black design, such as one shown in the book. See students, they used to make they have all the use here also used to make the beautiful pots, which is given on page number 6. Cotton was probably grown in the Mehergarh from about 7,000 years ago. Cotton is grown about 7,000 years ago only. Actual piece of cotton was found attached to the lid of silver vase and some copper objects at the Mohenjo-daro. Archaeologists have found spindle floor made of terracotta and fan. These are used to spin the thread. Students, the archaeologists also found that the cotton was used to make a clothes of silver, and And also the spindlers they have also found, that means they used to make a thread from that. Many of the things were produced were probably work as a specialist in a person who is trained to do only one kind of workspace. And many of the things that the archaeologists found is that these work, the cotton work, is done by the specialist person. For example, cutting stones, polishing beads, or carving steels. All these examples shows that these are done by the special person. Specialist is a person who is in specializing in doing the things, particular things, who is trained. Now everybody would have been specialist. We do not know whether only men such were specialists or only women were specialists. Perhaps some women and men may have been specialists. We cannot say that whether the men were specialists or women were specialists that time in making the craft or making the beard or making the pots or polishing the beads. But we can suggest we can know, only the thing is that we can know that men or women can be specialist, may have been specialist that time. Means specialist is the one who is trained to do one kind of work only. Yes, student, thank you.